What's up, y'all? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new to my channel, hey girl, hey. Make sure you hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell so you'll be notified when I upload a new video. And if you're not already, make sure you follow me on Instagram at TheHareLife and TheHareLife Official. So you guys, today I'm going to be showing you how I got this look with this Asteria deep wave wig. So let's get right into the video. So thank you to Asteria for sponsoring today's video. So I'm just showing you guys what came in the box. They sent over an edge melt band, which you guys will see me use later. Of course, the wig, some lashes, and a bunch of other goodies. So I will be working with Asteria's HD Lace 5x5 22-inch deep wave wig, and it was 180 density. This is what the unit looked like fresh out of the packaging. I just want to show you guys the texture of the hair before it was washed and show you guys the thickness and all of that good stuff. So this was the thickness of the unit. The 180% was cool for a 22-inch. I feel like if you go any longer, definitely just get 200 to be safe if you like really full wigs like myself. So here's the inside of the cap. Y'all know it comes with the adjustable straps as well as 3 wig combs, and I'm showing you guys the lace. The lace was really thin and it was really easy to install. The knots were super small, like I'm showing you guys right here. The knots were really small. I did bleach them for about an hour with 30 volume developer, and they didn't all bleach, but once I installed it, you couldn't really see it, so it was fine. And here's the texture of the hair after I had bleached the knots, washed and deep conditioned the unit. The hair was really soft. Minimum shedding, like minimum, probably about a quarter size amount, if that, of shedding. So that was good, especially for this to be like a curly texture. And I just showed you guys what the knots look like after I bleached them. So now I'm about to get into plucking. So y'all know I'm just getting my middle part together, and then I switched and decided to do a side part. But y'all will see, like I didn't really like the side part after I did it. So essentially we're gonna end up back to a middle part like y'all saw in the beginning. So yeah, I'm just taking my hot comb home 465 and hot combing that so I can prepare to pluck the hairline, make it look natural. Okay, so as y'all can see, I was pulling the hair out for baby hair, and then I was like, you know what, I haven't shown a side part on my channel in a while, so I switched to a side part. But like I said, I ended up not really liking the side part, so no worries. I do have another video coming up for you guys with the side part and some curly hair. So here I am just defining the curls, or the wave, should I say. It was like a curly wavy. So I just sprayed water all over the wig, and I took this detangling brush. You guys are gonna see me go back and forth with the detangling brush and like a dimming brush. I was just trying to see which worked better. They both worked fine, so it doesn't matter. So I did go ahead and apply a little bit of mousse as well to help define those curls. And y'all know I love the Lace by Ash Perfect Foaming Mousse. So I applied that as well as the water, brushed that through, and of course scrunch the hair. Anytime you have any curly wavy hair, you want to just scrunch it to maximize your definition. And then I did do the baby hairs after this, put on the melt band and put it up under the dryer to dry.
Since I was young, they said I won't be nothing. Now they always say congratulations. Work so hard to vacation. They ain't never had the dedication. People hate and say the change and look, we made it. Yeah, we made it. I was patient. Yeah, I was patient.
Now I'm prepping for the actual install. So I just have my stocking cap on, and I took my foundation. It was an Anastasia Beverly Hills foundation, and I applied that with a brush all over the hairline and where I knew I was going to be parting at on the wig. So I did the same exact thing to my lace, just to tint it to my skin tone so it'll blend in seamlessly. So I put the wig on my head, y'all, and I was fluffing it, and I just was not feeling the side part. So I have been like fluffing this out and playing around with it for like the last 30 minutes, and I'm sorry, like I really think I'm about to switch this to a middle part. It's just not giving me what I need to give. Like, no, I'm not really feeling the side part. This is what it would look like as a side part if you kind of just left it with regular placement instead of shifting. But when I do wear side parts, I like a nice deep side part. So, and I could kind of like adhesive this down first, but I just want to show y'all. So this should be about middle. If it's not, like, I will fix it. But I get this question all the time on how to switch your part. So y'all see, that's the side part, middle part. I'm gonna take my hot comb and I'm gonna just hot comb this over. And I'm sorry if y'all can hear this wind. We have like a severe windstorm going on right now, so I apologize if y'all can hear that. I'm gonna make sure my part and everything is straight, and then I'm gonna have to wet the front back down so the wave pattern can come back. I'm gonna take my wax stick. A little bit goes a long way. You do not need a lot. And I'm gonna just hot comb her real flat, like so. Like that. And y'all see like the shine the wax stick gives. And then once I make sure, I'm gonna just give it a little bit of volume, because I don't like when my wigs are just like that. I like to have the little, y'all know, little push back in the front. I'll come back and we will got to be this down. Okay, so now I'm just going to go ahead and secure this down with some got to be free spray. And y'all have seen me do this plenty of times. I'm just spraying the spray onto the lace, and then I sprayed it onto my edge brush to just touch up the baby hairs. And I'm going to blow dry this on cool air. And that is pretty much it, you guys. So I'm gonna just let y'all watch this and I'll be back.
Check up on it. I'ma let you work
Okay, so now I'm just taking some of my wax stick. I put it in the palm of my hands and just ran it across the top. And this is what the hair looked like, you guys. The wave pattern of this unit was really, really pretty. So I just took some Garnier Fructis oil just to give the hair some added shine. I just did one pump and distributed that on both sides. And it kind of gave it that wet look. So it was really, really pretty. This is the final look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Leave any video requests down below and I will see y'all in my next one. Bye.